This is Gopabandhu Kamakar and having you this topic learn taught a letter to God. First I will teach you this topic, then I will go through the meanings of the sentences written in this paragraph and the grammar, the design, that set and the application of words. So let's read the paragraph first. The house, the only one in the entire valley, set on the crest of a low hill. From this height, one would see the river, the field of ripe corn dotted with flower that always promised a good harvest. The only things the earth needed was a downpour or at least a shower. Throughout the morning, Lenko, who knew his field intimately, had done nothing else but see the sky towards the north. This is all about the first paragraph. Now I will give you the meaning. I will let you go through the meaning in certain technique. Let's take sentence by sentence. The first sentence is a relative clause. Rather, all the sentences written in this paragraph, in this topic as well, are relative clause or compound sentence. Most of the sentences. The first sentence will talk about the house, the only one in the entire valley, set on the crest of a low hill. The house means there is a house. Gote ghar achi. The only one in the entire valley. It means that house which is situated. Set means established, situated, or set. You can say or placed. Set on the crest of a low hill means there is a house which is situated in the top of the low hill. Crest of a low hill means top of a low hill. घरटी अछि आ से घरटी समग्र उपत्यकार गोटे मात्र अछि आ ताहा मध्य गोटे छोटिया पहाड़र शिखर देशरे रहिछि. या यार प्रथम मीनिंग. The meaning of the first sentence. Let's go to the second sentence. The height one would see, from this height one would see the river and the field of ripe corn dotted with flower that always promise a good harvest. From this height माने सही उच्चता. From this height सही उच्चता माने from the height means from the height of the house. One would see. What one would see? One would see the river. First one would see the river. Then the ripe corn dotted with flower. नई देखि पाइबो आउ शस्य पत्र देखबो जे पाचला शस्य पत्र आउ जेउडा को डॉटेड विथ फ्लावर पूरा फूल रे भरपूर अछि. डॉटेड मींस scattered. आउ that always promise a good harvest. That always promise a good harvest mean के जो देखे बहुत somebody would see, then he or she would definitely say this time they are going to have good harvest. भल अमर संकेत देउथबा अमर भल अमर संकेत always promise a good harvest. तरे द्वितीय वाक्यर अर्थ मोटामोटी भाବରେ आ हैला जे सेही उच्चतारू जणा देखि पारिबो नयटिए one would see the river and the ripe corn dotted with flower. शस्य क्षेत्र गुडाको फूल रे भरपूर थिबा पाचला शस्य क्षेत्र गुडाको देखि पारिबो. जहाँ को देखले जहाँ को भी मने हबो ना तर तो भलो होना. Next sentence. The only thing the earth needed was a downpour or at least a shower. The only things केवल गोटे जिंस दरकार. The earth needed से भूमि earth means soil, clay. ताले से जांकर जमी कौन दरकार पड़छि वो needed a downpour means rain. At least shower ताले ओडिया वर्षा तांको दरकार से ता जमी पाए. This is all about the first sentence. यहाँ मतलब उधर relative clause, the compound sentence. Next sentence हमारा देखो. Throughout the morning, Lenko, who knew his field intimately, had done nothing else but see the sky toward the northeast. The first time the name of the farmer is revealed, the farmer is Lenko. or you would read as Lenko. So Lenko or Lencho, who is a farmer, and he had a problem. The problem is scarcity of water. He didn't have that amount of water needed to be given to the field for good harvest. He had a ripe corn available in the fields, which always give promise to a good harvest. But the problem is he didn't have the amount of water needed to be given to it. Throughout the morning, Sokasara, means in the morning, he didn't do anything. Lencho, who knew his field intimately, Lencho, who is very well acquainted and very much intimate to his field, he knew his field intimately. He had good knowledge about his fields. He didn't do anything. He had done nothing else. He didn't do anything. Sokal se kichi kala nahi. But see the sky toward the northeast. Northeast उत्तर पूर्व आकाश को चाहे रही सकाल किसी न करे कि बाक्यर मोटामोटी अर्थ है सकाल सब किसी न करे कि उत्तर पूर्व आकाश को चाहे रही ये रिलेटेड क्लॉज आई विल टेल यू लेटर एंड आई विल सेपरेट द सेंटेंस इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो ताला मोटामोटी आवर यार माने हला अजे सकाल सारा से किछि न करी केवल नॉर्थ ईस्ट स्काई को चाहि रछि एबे मु पैराग्राफ वाइज माने कहि देबे ताले ए जो पैराग्राफ रे प्रथम पैराग्राफ कोन लिखा है द फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ इज ऑल अबाउट ए फार्मर जन कृषक हु लिव्स who dwells in the valley in the entire valley he was single his house was single over there solitary ekaki goroti achi in the entire valley and which was set in the crack of a loil enti pahad achi ta upare goroti achi from that height one would see the river what are the visible the things which are visible from the height of his house the first one to be noted is the river. Second was a ripe corn that has a flower and which always give good harvest. But he was having problem. He was not happy what was going on. The common problem that every farmer always has. The farmers that always have that kind of problem. The problem is scarcity of water because too much relying on what rain, but he didn't have that amount of rain that he is expecting, and that is his problem that's slicing him. So he was looking toward the north sky in order to trace the hint of rain, and he was having close look at the clouds in the sky. And he was making his attempt to see the activity committed by the clouds and searching for or exploring the hint of rain. But in that morning, somewhere he got the hint of rain, and that's why he was closely looking at the activity of the clouds. And somewhere he got the hint of rain. Now we will go to the next paragraph. This is the next paragraph. The next paragraph is now we are really going to get some water. The women who was preparing super replied, yes, God willing. The older boys we are walking in the fields, while the smaller ones we are playing near the house until the women call to them all, come for dinner. It was during the meal that just as Lenko had predicted, big drops of rain began to fall. In the northeast, the huge mountain of clouds could be seen approaching. The air was fresh and sweet. The man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. And when he returned, he exclaimed, these are not raindrops falling from the sky, they are nucleus. The big drops are 10 cent pieces and the ones are 5. So second paragraph. Now I will go to this sentence by sentence meaning. Now we are really going to get some water. Women, the women who was preparing support replied, yes, God. Now we are really going to get some water. Means after having seen the evidence or the proof or activity or hint of the clouds that amounting the possibility of rain. Then he came back and revealed his feeling to his wife, who was preparing supper at the time. He revealed his feeling that he was expecting some rain, and his wife also nodded. He said, yes, God willing. वो तो भगवान ही आ जाऊँ चाहते यहाँ ही हो भगवान कहीं करम तो यहाँ ही जाओ ताले कौन है जिम्ती ये से देखी साला क्लाउड रखो तापर से घर को से ताऊ जागो कोइला जेता से सुपर प्रिपेयर करते हैं सुपर होची ब्रेकफास्ट ऑफ सॉरी ये ऑपोजिट ऑफ ब्रेकफास्ट सुपर ऑपोजिट ऑफ ब्रेकफास्ट तो सदा से ये सुपर प्रिपेयर करते हैं माने बनौते हैं तैयारी करते हैं तब जाके से तारमेंट कहले जादे बसा हो से कहले भगवान हाई कर गॉड बोले नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस यहां मतलब रिलेटिव क्लॉज है द ओल्डर बॉयज वर वॉकिंग इन द फील्ड्स while the smaller ones were playing near the house until the women called to them all come for dinner. So another activities, the activity committed by smaller boys and the older boys. The older boys are working near the house in the field, but the smaller one are playing. And all of them, the smaller and the older one, will be called. ताको ढाका कहता बंद to the dinner until they are called for the dinner. जेता बंद ताको dinner पंत नो ढाका है जी. The smaller one keep playing. सानो मने खेलते ले. आप बड़ा मने ताको खेलोगा काम करते हैं. यह मोटा मोटी अपने meaning. Next, it was during the meal that George Ayatollah or Lanchor had predicted. ठीक meal समय मैंने at the time of meal dinner में आज Lanchor had predicted जिमती ही Lanchor भावित ला सेमती है ना predicted means to foretell अनुमान करेगा big drops of rain began to fall बड़ा बड़ा वर्षा बंदा पड़ेगा को आरंभ करला as according to his expectation. In the north, huge mountains of cloud could be seen approaching. और north sky है जो से देखुतला तो कारू सेठी बादल रो पहाड़ बड़ा बड़ा पर्वत सेठी से देखे पहले seen approaching गति करबार से देखेले. The air was fresh and sweet. The air was fresh and sweet means when he calculated the smell, the air, he could understand or he could predict that there was a greater possibility of rain. कृषक मानकर आदत अटे से माने वर्षा हेबा पूर्व जानि देबे बादल देखि जानि पे केते प्रमाण वर्षा हो. So ये मत देखि दैथिले the air was fresh and sweet means it was something the indication or guessing of or prediction of rain, that amount of rain that he would have कितना प्रमाण वर्षा पाई एटू से predict करता. The man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. Salapatiye. And when he returned, he exclaimed, "These are not raindrops falling from the sky; they are new coins. The big drops are 10 cent pieces, and smaller ones are 5 cents. 5. So when the rain started falling, He didn't stop himself. He can't return going. The way when we got to see a distant person after a long death, after a gap of long death, we welcome them at heart, at warm heart. The same way, सेमती कहानी एटारे जिंदगी वर्षा आसिला से निज को से उठ के पहले नहीं he came out to just feel the taste of rain on his body. He welcomed it getting it fall on his body. And when he returned after having drenched in the rain, after having enjoyment being drenched in the rain, then he returned. When he returned, he explained. He told his children or his wife to all. He said that जब बूंदा गुड़ा को पड़ते हुए, the big drops are बड़ा बड़ा जो बूंदा गुड़ा को big drops of rain से गुड़ा को 10 cent pieces 10 टंका में कोई पर आसाना गुड़े को 5 टंका. The smaller ones are 5 cent pieces. This is all about the meaning. एबे एटी किछि प्रश्न आछे प्रश्न गुडी को हला से काहे कि वेलकम व्हाट डिड ही कम आउट टू वेलकम he came out to welcome to give a warm welcome because he had been waiting for that. बहुत दिन धरि के अपेक्षा कर रखितले बहुत दिन पर अपेक्षा कर रखिले आमे चिता पर ताकू स्वागत करबा को जाओ. He came out to welcome it at warm heart. तापर एटा क्वेश्चन एमटी भी आसे जे ड्रॉप ऑफ छोटो माने बूंदा गुडा को केते पैसा लगा. What are the cost of the small piece of rice? 5 cent pieces, big ones are 10 cent pieces. एमटी भी क्वेश्चन आछे जेते बेले when did he reveal his feeling or hint of rain to his wife at the time when his wife was preparing supper. एटी पुनी क्वेश्चन आछे why Lenko didn't do anything since morning? It was because he had been launching a closed loop at the activity of the clouds, and when he got the hints of some rain, so he was busy looking at the north sky without doing anything in the morning. Now question थी जैसे वो where did Lenko live in the solitary house in the Antarctica, which is set in the crater of a low hill. एमटी भी क्वेश्चन आछे what kind of things are visible from that height? सेटू कोन देखा जाउछि बा दृश्यमान होटे ता चार पाखरे कोन देखा जाउछि रिवर राइट कोन डॉट टू फ्लावर. And what was the problem of Lenko? Problem of Lenko was scarcity of rain. एबे यार माने दे दिया जीवो यार ग्रामर विषय देखिबो. The house, the only one in the entire valley set on the crest of a low hill. एई बाकड़ा जो देखिबा या गोटे कंपाउंड सेंटेंस आ रिलेटिव क्लॉज रे अछि डेफिनिंग क्लॉज हो डेफिनिंग और नॉन डेफिनिंग आइडेंटिफाइंग क्लॉज एंड नॉन आइडेंटिफाइंग क्लॉज.